Hello student, in previous video we saw the changing nature and concept of national security. In that we saw the aim of national security, score of national security, and unity is very important part for the national security. So student will see the further part of this lesson now. The Indian context, the term security is represented by more than one word in Sanskrit language. In Sanskrit, the word Raksha, Rakshanam, Rakshaha, derived from the root Raksh, the meaning protecting, defending, and watching. Means that to protect, give the protection for the people from the external power, from external attack, and from the external threat, to defend and to watching the meaning of the Raksh. The word Suraksha all means security. Similarly, the word Abhayam, the meaning fearlessness, elimination of fear, safety, and security. Abhayam means fearlessness, elimination of fear and safety of the people, those are living in the nation, those are living in the country. Without fear, the people will live their life properly, happily. Similarly, Kautilya in the Arthashastra divided this concept of security into internal and external security. The Kautilya, he is divided the security into two parts, that is internal and external security. Internal security functions as Dandaniti, argues that the fundamental duty of the government to maintain the public order. The main duty of the government to maintain the public order, to give protection for the public, and to increase the wealth of the country. This is the main purpose of the government is there in the security. In Chanakya, in 4th century BCE, Arya Chanakya is a teacher, philosopher, economist, jurist, and royal advisor, author of the ancient Indian political treatise. He presented his ideas and vision and unification of the kingdom and gave the idea of nationalism. He gave the idea about the nationalism for the nation, put forth the idea that protecting the country, to protect the country from the external power, to external attack, increasing the country wealth necessary, to wealth of the country to increase day by day, to become a proper country. For that, wealth is very necessary thing. So you have to increase the wealth. His idea given by Arya Chanakya to the nation. While the tradition approach to security remain very relevant today, there are some other dimension needs to be understood. In the decade of 1980 and 1990, a lot of new thinking was done on the concept of security. Some important contribution that were included as follows. That remaining part we'll see in the next video. So student, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.